G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I'm on the road. I'm in Hawaii, in Waikiki, and I'm staying at the Ilikai Hotel and Luxury Suites. And in this video, I'm going to give you a full tour and review of the Luxury Junior Suite with ocean view room, so you know exactly what it's like if you're thinking of staying here. Let's go. So here we are up on the hallway on floor 24. So there is 26 floors if you include the restaurant on top. So right at the top, only above us, is the penthouse level and that restaurant, the aforementioned restaurant. Look, not the world's most exciting hallway. I really don't like the really warm lighting that they have in a lot of hotels, especially with the dark doors and the darkish carpet as well. It's not exactly the most vibrant of hallways, but it's certainly not unusual for many hotels. Now here we are in my room, which is 2434. Let's go have a look inside. And as you probably already noticed, it's got a spectacular amount of space and a fantastic balcony, but we'll get there in a sec. So on the entrance here, you'll notice fully tiled floors on the kitchen and bathroom area into a nice carpeted floor beyond that. Just near the entrance here, we've got the one and only kind of storage area, and I'm going to go into that a little bit more in a second. But yeah, a little bit of hanging space, enough space for a bag. There's not a whole lot of space there, and no robes or slippers, that kind of level of thing, but you do get the safe there. Now over here you've got a full kitchen. And this is one of the things that sets this hotel apart. This is part of the Aqua Aston Hotel Group, and if you've regular to my channel, you know I've also reviewed the Kanapali Shores, Aston Kanapali Shores over on the island of Maui. And it's got a kind of similar setup, so you've got a full kitchen experience. So this is the type of place that you can come as a family, or as anyone, and really set up and make the use of the beach and the surrounding facility environment, and really just pull up stumps. You've got stove, you've got the microwave, the full-size fridge. You know, it's a decent kitchen. It's a solid kitchen that's going to allow you to prepare meals with ease. It's fully stocked as well with your kind of plates, cups, mugs, fry pans, everything that you need to be self-sufficient during your stay here, which I think is great. Also love the stone bench tops, the finishes here with the sunken sink, stainless steel. So very nice, very nice kitchen for a room like this. Now through here we've got the bathroom. Again, I like the way that the finishes transcend across. It always feels like one kind of cohesive space. Super large mirror, single sink, but that's okay. Especially considering where the toilet's situated. You probably couldn't get a second sink in there anyway. There's more storage in here, so it gives you a little bit more space to put things. And yeah, plenty of space in front of the toilet, so it's not cramped like it can be in some hotels. And then full tile to ceiling shower area here, very large spacious shower. No bath, which could be a bit of a problem for some families, but it does have a really good step up, as you can see here. So you're not going to flood out here that easily if you've got the kids in there kind of having a bit of a play while they're having a shower. The shower itself, in height wise, look, my head's about here at 6'4", so if you're my height you can't quite get under it, but this does just come off, so no worries there. Not the greatest pressure in the world, I will say, but temperature and everything comes together nicely. Some pump packs as well, as opposed to the old little bottle system, which is good. That's what we want to see. So let's look at the bathroom area now. Into this space here, and it's just so nice. What a large, open, airy, bright room it is. So obviously you've got this kind of, I guess you could say, living space, and that's a really comfy couch. Like sometimes the furniture can be, doesn't match the feel of the place, but it's actually a really comfortable couch to sit on, and it does fold out as well, so that does convert to a sofa bed I guess effectively queen size Copa bed because it's the 3-seater, should you require it. Seats, the little, I don't know what you call those, the TV tables, I guess you could say. This moved, I've actually just pushed them back, but and even some seats at the bar as well. So really nicely furnished and not crammed in any way, shape or form. More storage over here in terms of the drawers and a complicated kind of TV setup here. 40-inch, I think it is, wall-mounted TV's fine, it's really good. And you've got a DVD player here, you can rent DVDs downstairs. They can kind of give you a voucher when you arrive. Plus kind of a TiVo setup, all that kind of American style TV for your big range of channels. This is your internet. Now the internet's interesting. It's kind of convoluted. Like, I'm not going to show the password now because they don't want me to show it, but it's a really complicated password, really hard to find. SSID, like it's one for each room, and then that doesn't transcend anywhere else in the building. So when you're downstairs, your internet's not going to work because it's working in the room, not down there. They do have a guest Wi-Fi down there, but it's a whole other setup. I'm not sure what they can do about it. It's nice that there's a dedicated room Wi-Fi. It means you get decent speeds. Like I have had the internet just drop out on me, but when it's been working fine. So yeah, I'm going to guess that's a pass mark. Now over here to the bed, very, very comfortable bed, really nice pillows, really nice sheets, just about the right kind of medium mattress. Like I think most people are going to be fine with it. Generously sized bedside tables on both sides, including, and you've got obviously the phone over there, but you've got this alarm clock / charging station device over here as well. But overall, really nice bed. And with the air conditioning unit up there, it's been just a really, I couldn't hear anything from upstairs, anything from either of the rooms beside me. It's a bit louder at the moment because I've got these beautiful doors wide open. But when those doors are closed, you can't hear too much from outside either. So I think it's a really pleasant sleeping experience here. Now I just want to show this wall because they kind of got this place set up so you could really bunker down here. You can spend like a week here, 2 weeks here if you wanted to. With all this, you're not going to feel claustrophobic. You've got this fantastic balcony, which I'll show you more of in a sec. You've got the full kitchen facilities. But you've only got this tiny little storage for wardrobe over here, which is kind of behind the door. It's not easily to access. So I do wonder whether they might have made a bit better use of this space and just put a bit more storage in for people. But I think that's a minor, it's more of a suggestion than a complaint, I guess. I mean, you do have storage, it's just not very big. Okay, and then obviously we've got this big balcony as well. So, little table and chairs out here. Huge space. What I really love is that you can open the doors like this, and as soon as you do, the sea breeze comes through, and it's just so pleasant in here right now. Even though it's really hot outside, it's just so pleasant inside. There's no fly screen, which is a bit of a bummer, but no bugs have come in while I've been here, so maybe it's not that big an issue over here. In Australia, you just get swamped, but I haven't had anything come in, so maybe it's not such a big issue. But the fact that you can open these wide up and just kind of hear the ocean, feel the breeze come in, it's a lovely experience. And then we've got the ocean view. So you can actually see I had the chair set up this morning so I could sit there and watch it. And you're looking out over this fantastic lagoon, and out to the break wall, and then you've got all the surfing breaks over there. There's literally turtles and seals just in that area that you can go and swim with, and then this fantastic lagoon for the kids. And then you can see down there to the hotel pools. One's there and another one here as well. So look, it's a beautiful view. The one thing that I think people might get a little bit upset about is that it's an ocean view room, and obviously there's a very good ocean view, but from inside the room you don't get an ocean view. So you're just getting that kind of the buildings next door, a little bit of mountain. It kind of looks neat at night when all the lights are on and everything. But if you from the actual room, you've got to kind of be in this corner where there's absolutely no reason to be, to actually sit in the room and see the view. Which makes me wonder whether or not they should have flipped the bed, perhaps potentially this edge, so you can lie in bed and see the ocean. But so that's just something to be aware of. I feel like if you were to get an ocean, if you really want to be able to see the ocean view from inside your room, these rooms that are on this kind of wing here, they're a little bit more kind of front facing. So, you know, you're kind of facing down towards the water a little bit more than you are here. But I have just loved sitting on the deck and seeing that view. Like I can look at the view for hours. But there you go. There's a tour of the junior suite, the luxury junior suite with ocean view at the Ilikai Hotel and Luxury Suites here on Waikiki Beach in Hawaii. I think it's an excellent room. I love the space. I love the feel, I love the finish, and I love these massive doors and the outlook down to the ocean. So there you go, guys. I hope that was of help to you when you're planning your trip to Waikiki Beach here in Hawaii. Make sure you keep an eye up on the channel. Heaps more content going up from the area, also from the island of Maui, which I was at previous to this. So lots going up for those of you who are thinking about traveling to Hawaii to keep an eye out on. Anyway, that's for now. I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. I'm getting back on the road. You.